If you clicked on this video, you probably already know the benefits of mindfulness and meditation, right? You know that it can help you be more focused, improve your memory, make you more relaxed, and many other things too. But you already know that. You just want to know how to practice meditation and mindfulness so you could get all those benefits. Well, you've come to the right place, because that's exactly what I'm going to teach you. You'll learn how to practice mindfulness, where to practice it, and when to practice it. And by the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to know about mindfulness. There are many ways you can practice mindfulness, whether it's meditating, yoga, or just sitting in silence aware of your surroundings. The truth is, mindfulness at its core is just being aware of your surroundings and just thinking of that, nothing else. So, what I want you to do right now is close your eyes. Close your eyes and just listen to your surroundings. Hear yourself breathing. Hear the sounds around you. Maybe it's a bird chirping or someone's footsteps. Then, I also want you to listen to that empty space. Notice when there is no sounds and what nothing sounds like. No thinking of the past or the future, just now. Next, I want you to sense what you are touching. Feel what parts of your body are touching something. And what are they touching? Don't open your eyes, just feel with your body. Then, I also want you to feel what parts of your body aren't touching anything. The parts that are just in the air, touching nothing. Now, the last thing I want you to do is open your eyes and just look around. What things can you see? What colors do you see? Don't get up or move around, just look at the things you can see from where you are sitting. Take it all in. Now, if you did all that, then you are probably feeling a lot more present. You feel like you're in the moment. Does it feel good? For most people, it should, because that's how you practice mindfulness. Remember, the key to mindfulness is not thinking from the past or the future, just being in the present moment. But don't worry if your mind wanders. That's why we do this, so that we recognize when our mind is wandering and steer ourselves back on track. There is no special spot or room that you have to be in to do mindfulness. Really, you can do it wherever you're comfortable, but it's easier if you find a place that is relatively quiet and is comfortable to sit in. Of course, you don't have to go to a quiet and comfortable spot, but it is much easier if you do. Just like how you don't need to go to a special spot to practice mindfulness, you also don't need to practice it at any certain time. It's really whatever time works best for you. I've found it's easy to practice in the morning and make it part of my morning routine. That way I never forget. Another great time to practice is when you are trying to fall asleep. That way you either fall asleep or you have a really deep mindfulness session. But again, it doesn't really matter when, just do it. Now you should know how to practice mindfulness and are ready to start being a more peaceful and focused person. Good luck on your journey of mindfulness.